nagiging pag-ibigan ng dalawang tao. Sabi nga nila, anything in excess is not good. Kahit ang pag-ibig, kung sumobra, abay maaaring magdulot ng crime of passion. Ito ang una nating Mentalism Act. At kasama natin dito ang kilabot na mga boys, Sara Labati at Julian San Jose. Okay, Julian and Sarah. Okay, Nomer, ano ba ang gagawin natin dito?
Okay, before we start, I have a prediction. Bibigay ko sa'yo, Julian. Pakihawak lang muna. And then the rest, Sarah, tutulungan mo ko.
Ba? Mga photos.
Can you go like this? Extend your right hand. And then lapit ka ng konti. Alright. As you go like this, you will stop anytime or anywhere. You stop on that general area, so we'll eliminate those. We're left with 4. This time, ibahin natin ng konti. Ganun pa din, pero mag-stop ka lang ng kahit saan. You stop there. So we'll eliminate also yung nandoon. Sarah? That one or this one? This one. So, hindi ko sinabi sa'yo kung ano yung itsura ng mga pictures na to dahil ayoko tang ma-influence. So, these are pictures ng mga married couples from the 1970s. Look at them. Mapapansin mo, lahat sila nakasmile. Pero kasi, ito yung napili mo kanina.
Yan, yung nakabaliktad pa. Yan, the one you're holding.
That one, siya lang yung hindi nakasmile. Mapapansin mo. Alam mo kung bakit, Sarah? Ibibigay ko siya sa'yo, yung pictures. I want you to give names for them.
Esther and Abdel.
Esther and Abdel. Sasabihin ko sa'yo ngayon yung istorya na itong dalawang to. Esther is a successful businesswoman, while si Abdel, he's a bum. Okay? Wala siyang trabaho. It was a pre-arranged marriage, at yung marriage nila, guess what? Naglast lang for 3 days. Alam niyo kung bakit? Si Esther, she killed Abdel. So since hindi masyadong nagtagal yung marriage nila, pwede mo silang punitin in half? Yes. Okay. And then, since sinabi ko sa'yo na she killed Abdel, actually, she slit his throat.
Inilitan ng leeg.
Pwede mong ipunitin right on that area.
Sa leeg.
Okay. Nung nahuli nila si Esther, pinuntahan na siya ng mga polis. Meron siyang binubuo, pilit na picture. Julian, earlier, meron ako binigay sa'yo na envelope. It was with you all the time. Pwede mo buksan? Pwede mo ipakita sa amin kung ano yung laman?
Wow!
And it matches.
Oh my gosh! Nasa likod yung pangalan niya. It's Abdel and Esther. Ang galing. Oh my gosh, sweetless ako.
Bueno, andito rin lang si Julian at saka si Sarah. Susubukan na rin ni Nomer basahin kung ano o sino ang laman ng isipan nila sa ating bonus mind reading.
Julian, mas maganda Julian kung mag-isip ka. Don't say anything.
Any random question.
Random. You're concerned about your school.
Yes.
Tama ako?
Yes.
School? Medyo nasa-sacrifice yung school. Yun yung pinaka-concern mo.
Yes.
Okay. No worries. Okay lang. Hindi naman magiging pangit yung kakalabasan niyo sa school mo. Okay. School. Yes, tama.
Yes nga.
Sarah, ang iniisip mo, career muna and then you went for love life. Career muna. Okay, kasi dalawa yung nakukuha ko eh.
Yes.
Okay. Sa career, parang mas yung love life yung gusto kong sagutin eh.
Career talaga.
Okay, career talaga. Well, I'm getting initial. DM or MD? Well, hindi pa ngayon, wala pang meaning sa'yo ngayon kasi it's about to happen pa lang.
Yung career.
Yun.
Yung love life na yun, yun ang magbibigay ng kulay dun sa career.
Nako, nakatahi pala. Abangan namin yan.